Hi everyone, this is your superfan Meena Dawani from Destination CEO. I have an exciting news to share with you all today. I've been invited to speak at Kubeir Kamal's amazing workshop called New Immigrant Workshop. Natalia and I from Destination CEO will be at that workshop speaking about the importance of having mentors, specifically in a new immigrant's life. When I came to Canada 20 years ago, I would not have succeeded had it not been for my own mentor. And in numerous times in my life, I've needed mentors to guide me to success. So today, here I am, the CEO and founder of Destination CEO, inviting you all newcomers to Toronto, to come and join me, Kubeir, and a lineup of amazing speakers at the New Immigrant Workshop, Delta Hotel, Sunday, December 8th from 2 p.m. See you then.